Right now, a memorial is set up for that little girl who was hit and killed by a truck here yesterday afternoon. You can see family members out there right now. I spoke with a sergeant from Woodland PD who tells me that a driver of a Dodge pickup truck left his car running at this gas station pump with his 3-year-old in the car seat in the back. When he went inside the convenience store, we're told the truck rolled forward, hitting Alani, who was sitting at a table eating her tacos. Now, investigators say they found the 3-year-old who was in the car seat sitting in the driver's seat with the car and drive. Now, by the time Alani's mother and father tried to jump into action to save Alani and pull the brakes on that truck, it was just too late. Now, obviously, this is really fresh for the family who we did speak with out here today, but we have been just seeing an outpour of support for this family over at the 5-Star Car Wash just down the street from here. They're actually having a fundraiser today where they've already raised at least $400 of tips that are going directly to this family, and the car wash over there is going to be matching all of that as well. As the family is just obviously going through a lot, still have a lot of questions, and of course want justice for their little girl who is no longer with them. I did talk with Woodland PD about what's next in this investigation, and so far they have not made any arrests, but they say that negligence is not out of the question. They're going to be forwarding this investigation to the district attorney's office. That will ultimately make the decision as to what happens next in all of this. And coming up at 10, you'll hear from Alani's father and what he has to say just about this whole situation.
It is probably an accident. Obviously, this doesn't look like it was intentional. There's still going to be probably a criminal component to this case because it resulted in a vehicular, death. For our purposes here, the civil liability question, there's absolutely going to be liability for this negligent act, and that's exactly what it is. To leave a car running or to leave it, I can't tell whether or not it was left in gear or that the other child in the car must have put it into drive. Either way, it was very negligent of that of the owner to leave the key, in the car with the car running with a little kid in it, because something like this can happen. I think that's pretty foreseeable for everybody. Hopefully there's enough insurance on this vehicle and their homeowner's policy may even get triggered. If you were involved in something like this, the best thing you can do is talk to a lawyer before you start talking to anybody, any insurance company, because there may be multiple layers of insurance involved in something like this. It can get a bit complicated, but what a terrible outcome and story. Certainly wish the best to that family, and if there's anything we can do, I'd be happy to help. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and while you're down there, please like and subscribe. Thanks again for watching.